In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Pipedrive CRM in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to CRM systems or just looking to optimize your sales workflow, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get your Pipedrive account up and running smoothly. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Pipedrive CRM and navigate to their official website. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a button inviting you to try for free. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address to sign up, or you can choose to register using your Google account for a quicker setup. If you opt for the email route, make sure to follow the on-screen instructions to create a secure password and verify your email address via the confirmation link you'll receive. Once you're verified, Pipedrive will require some basic information to tailor the experience to your needs. You'll be asked for your name, job title, and a few questions about your past experiences with sales tools. This helps Pipedrive understand your background and provide relevant assistance. Continuing with the setup, input your company's name, size, and the industry you operate in. This information will further customize your Pipedrive account, making sure that relevant features and tips are aligned with your business needs. Now, the next step is to identify your primary goal for using Pipedrive. Whether it's managing leads, closing deals, or another objective, stating your main focus will help Pipedrive suggest tools and provide tips that specifically help achieve those goals. With your account setup complete, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Pipedrive dashboard. Initially, it will showcase sample data to help you understand the platform's full potential. Navigate through the dashboard and you'll find the pipeline view. Here, you can click on the pencil icon next to the pipeline name to edit existing stages or add new ones. You can also set stage probabilities, giving you a clear picture of your expected deal outcomes. Next, let's make the platform uniquely yours by creating custom fields. Custom fields for deals, people, and organizations will allow you to capture and track specific information relevant to your business needs. This flexibility ensures that you have all the necessary data points at hand to make informed decisions. Pipedrive also offers tools to create automation rules, which can be incredibly beneficial. Set up rules to automatically assign leads or send follow-up reminders, reducing repetitive tasks and allowing you to focus on closing deals. Another tip to enhance your Pipedrive experience is to connect it with other software tools you use, such as Zapier. You can find these integrations in the Pipedrive marketplace, streamlining your operations and enhancing productivity. Lastly, remember that your workflows aren't set in stone. Continuously evaluate and adjust them as needed to ensure your sales processes are as efficient as possible. By refining your approach, you can drive better sales results and maximize the potential of Pipedrive CRM. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide helps you get started with Pipedrive quickly and efficiently. Happy selling!